In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps and reach Settings. Then go to Biometrics and Security and click on Fingerprints. So if you'd like to add a fingerprint, tap on Continue, and at first set some backup to your fingerprint. I will choose Pattern. So let's provide your backup pattern, tap on Continue and then re-enter this pattern, tap to confirm again. And now it's time to scan your fingerprint. So the sensor is located in the power button, so just keep holding like this. Just put your finger and then leave it until it is fully added, just like this. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So just click on Done to finish the whole operation. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern that you set. So just unlock it and provide the pattern, which is a backup, or you can use your fingerprint, just like this. And that will be all. That's how you can add a fingerprint ID. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.